Hi everyone, this is Kate Holloman. Welcome to my channel. I had a request on one of my other drawing videos where I was drawing wavy hair if I could do straight hair with bangs. And I figured why not? I really enjoy drawing portraits in hair, so let's get to it. I hope you find this helpful. We're gonna start with a very basic face shape. We're not going to go into detail here. There could be a lot that we could do, but for the sake of hair, this is where we're going to go. You are going to start with an oval. Okay, we're going to draw the neck coming into the shoulders. And this is all that we're going to need here. Okay. Hair is sometimes just a little bit poofy at the top. I know not for everybody, but for this drawing, we're going to do it. So our bangs, we're going to give them a little bit of a lift, especially when you have shorter hair. That does happen where it bounces up a little bit. Okay. Nice helmet. Thank you. All right. We're going to separate the hair in the middle. And now we're just going to follow this outline over here. And at first, we're just going to go ahead and go down. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right. Okay, if you want to, go ahead, give it a little chin over here. Might look better. All right. Not right from where the neck is. Let's go a little bit up here. More hair is going to come down. Same thing on the other side. But now, even if you have long hair and it's straight hair, you know that it's going to curve a little bit around the shape of your body. So I didn't make it full straight. We're going to separate it into small sections where it's going to curve around the body to make it look more natural and more realistic. So on this side, it's going to just have a very slight curve over here to where the shoulders are, coming back down. Okay, on the other side, we're not going to exactly copy it because it will look nicer, better to the eye if it's not as symmetrical. So we're going to bring that curve a little bit lower, a little sharper over here, and bring it down. Also, on this side, sometimes you will notice some of that hair will come in and then as if it went back behind. So we're not going to draw that. We don't see that. But some of that hair is going to come over here. We can do a little bit of that again on this side. And at the end, we're going to add a few individual strands of hair that again will make it look more natural. Okay, so this looks very basic. It might not even look that pretty just yet, but don't worry, we're gonna get through all of that. So, because I don't love this, I like to add, in my drawings with bangs, I like to add that mid-length here. So we're gonna do that on both sides. There we go. Let me get my eraser. Here we go. You can see how much I use it. My eraser always ends up having this little tip, which for erasing hair is extremely useful. So if you don't have that and you feel like it's going to be more beneficial, you can take your eraser, you can cut it to be that shape. But This is what mine looks like already. So I'm gonna erase what I don't want to see, which is now the face shape behind this mid-length hair strand. Same on this other side. We're gonna clean out the bangs here. And the original neck line. Okay. And we're going to start shading. These are not perfectly straight. They have a slight angle, slight slant to them. They don't have to be all exactly next to each other. It'll look nice if you sometimes space them out and if they have different lengths. So go ahead and switch between long and short, or kind of long, shorter, 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 short, long, shorter, shorter, you know. It'll give it a better look in the end. And then same from the top. Now I'm just using cardstock paper and a basic number 2 pencil. All right, so we have the bangs. What we can also do is go into some of these make it look less uniform. Okay, now we're going to go to the top, add a few short lines on this side. Few little longer ones on this side. And we're gonna go from dark to lighter. And you're gonna go slowly, just slowly lightening up on the pressure, and that's really going to give you that lighter shade. So as you go down, ease on the pressure of the pencil. Then we're going to go very light on the bottom, go upward. You kind of start, and it's almost like you're throwing it away. So I'm not drawing the lines, I'm kind of bouncing them. Again, we can go darker at the top. some of that hair can be behind the hair that's on the banks, so go ahead and go in there too. And lighter as we go. Now we're going to do this side. Again, we start with that dark stroke. They don't have to be perfectly next to each other. Then go lighter. Sorry, I got a bit of a sore throat, so you might hear that. And now it's not perfectly uniform again, strands go one over the other. So they can meet at different points. They can go away from each other at other points. Go ahead, add a little bit of a few dark strokes in a few other places. Good. Now here, let's pre-draw that. Some of those strands, they curve more when they're by your neck, when they go back behind your shoulder again. So we're gonna play with this a little bit more. Dark on the bottom. Again, bounce your pencil a little bit, bounce it off. And again, from the top, same thing. Now it's gonna leave that curved shine around here. Okay, we're gonna repeat the same process on the other side. Start with dark and lighten as you go. Add a few darker ones here and there. Let's go back to the banks because that's kind of bare compared to the rest. I'm gonna go darker at the top. There we go. And add a few lighter strokes, kind of as we go. They don't have to be everywhere. There we go. And now we're gonna add a few loose strands here and there. We're gonna get that nice natural look also here there we go. Straight hair with bangs with some natural curving around the body. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any special requests, leave them in the comments and I'll try to get to them. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.